Very good evening. For those who have followed the Paris Olympics, you may know this, but there may be many others who don't. Indian sport now has more than one god. We'll get to that in a bit, but in our special focus tonight, we're looking at the Paris Olympics and how it has been a Super 6. One medal short of India's best tally at Tokyo Olympics, and it's a great time to honor our sports stars. Manu Bhaker bagged a bronze and became the first Indian woman to win an Olympic shooting medal. She then created history by becoming the first Indian to win 2 medals at a single edition of the Olympics after she clinched a mixed team 10-meter air pistol bronze with Sarabjot Singh. Swapnil Kushale added a bronze in shooting to make it India's biggest haul in a sport in a single edition of the Olympics. Neeraj Chopra became the most successful individual Olympian after he claimed a silver medal in the javelin throw. Aman Sehrawat became India's youngest Olympic medalist when he won the bronze in wrestling. India missed out on 6 potential medals, most by a whisker, with the athletes finishing 4th in their respective events. But so is sports. Our story today, though, is different. You've known one god in Indian sport. This one is about the other. It's no surprises that the hockey team has dedicated the Olympics 2024 win to a man now being known as the god of modern Indian hockey. One of the stars who not only knit the team together and is known by his team as a man's man, aggressive on the field, jolly outside, we caught up with the man of the moment briefly, PR Srijesh himself, in a fun rapid fire as he was being honoured by Hockey India.
Edamone.
Edamone now is a sensational quote. I think that was, I found that is the best caption which I can prefer for that picture, and that picture came up from a satisfaction.
Family.
Family is everything. They are the supporters, they are the courage, and they are the backbone.
First goalkeeper kit to the last Olympics goalkeeper kit.
Hard-earned one.
The first one was?
Yes, that was from my father. That hard-earned money he gave to me, and the last one I hard-earned it.
Bronze.
It's an rebirth for Indian hockey.
Hockey.
It's life. It's my life.
Wife.
As a great support.
Unyapam.
Favorite one.
Son.
Is going to continue my legendary.
India. Oh, hockey player, is it?
I don't know. Anyways, if he does whatever it does, I mean, I'm so happy for him.
Team.
Team. No words for them. They are everything for me.
Hockey.
Again, that's a life.
But the triumph of the Indian hockey team led by Kishan Lal and with stalwarts such as Balbir Singh, Ranveer Singh Gentle and Leslie Claudius in London in 1948 was a defining moment for the newly independent country. Cut to 2024 Paris. Cut to 2024 Paris Olympics. And those are the visuals from 1948. The references that I made. Cut to 2024 Paris Olympics. India wins a consecutive Olympic bronze after 52 years. Beating Australia again. That's right. They beat. India had managed to win a consecutive Olympic bronze after 52 years, beating Australia again after 52 years, both 52 years apart. Harmanpreet's boys have done what many said. Harmanpreet's boys have done what many said was inevitable. The win that was to be decided was the colour of the medal. A big leap from what is 1948 to what is the 2024 bronze. The legacy for historic medals in hockey, particularly in Olympics itself, has been stunning. Gold medals 1928 to 36, 1948 to 56, 1964, 1980, silver medals 1960, bronze 1968, 1972, 2020 and 2024. But several stalwarts calling the love and celebration of hockey as a rebirth. In fact, P.R. Sreejesh himself has said this.
A lot is being spoken about the Paris Olympics, but I've got somebody from me who's been right behind the scenes but instrumental to where India is. Thank you very much for joining us, Craig Fulton.
Thank you.
India has done phenomenally when it comes to hockey. After 52 years, back-to-back bronzes, the men are being celebrated. All of you are being celebrated. But how, as a coach, how do you look at it?
Yeah, I think it was a successful campaign. I think after the disappointment of the World Cup, it was not nice to obviously go out of your own World Cup. But I think put a good plan in place since then and showcase to the world that the team can play on the biggest stage. And
What made the difference? What was the one thing that you really worked on?
well, there's a lot of things. Like the bigger the dream, bigger the team.
So what are the key, like if it's an ordinary person, we have to look at it. The top 3 things that you saw made a world of a difference to the team.
Defense, penalty corners, goalkeeper. There you go.
And the goalkeeper is changing.
Yeah, so I mean, it's Shree's day today, and he's had a fantastic career, and we celebrate him. He's done an amazing job for Hockey India for a long time, and he deserves all the plaudits he gets. I think he's had longevity. I think he's improved himself. He's had injuries. He's come back. He's got stronger, and this is the best I've seen him play. In the sense of him signing off as Asian hockey's god of hockey, whichever one you want to call it. I'll just remember him as India's #1 goalkeeper.
A lot is being spoken about the Paris Olympics, but I've got somebody from me who's been right behind the scenes but instrumental to where India is. Thank you very much for joining us, Craig Fulton.
Thank you.
Well, Manpreet Singh, the former team captain for Tokyo Olympics and someone who has played the same Olympics as Sreejesh, was among the first to dedicate the Paris Olympics win to him.
Sir, what are your thoughts at this point?
थॉट्स मैंने काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है कि बैक टू बैक हम लोगों ने ओलंपिक्स में मेडल जीते हैं, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। लास्ट हम लोगों ने टोक्यो में जीता था और इस बार हम लोगों ने पेरिस में जीता है, और जो टीम का मनोबल था इस बार काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग था और टीम ने काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया इस बार।
काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, पर आप सबसे बड़ा मोमेंट?
मेरा मोमेंट मैडम ये कहूँगा कि मेरा हमेशा ये रहता है मुझे एज ए टीम खेलना है, जितना भी मैं कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकूँ टीम के लिए उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है एज ए डिफेंडर और अटैकर, है ना। तो मेरा है कि हाँ कि हम लोगों ने इंग्लैंड वाला जो मैच था उसमें मेरा काफ़ी अच्छा रहा कि हाँ कि हम लोगों ने अच्छा डिफेंस किया, मैंने अच्छा डिफेंस किया बस।
जब आप फील्ड में थे, जब आप लोग जा रहे थे पेरिस, श्योर था मेडल?
मैडम श्योर कुछ भी नहीं था, बट ये था कि हाँ कि माइंड सेट था सभी का कि यार इस बार हमें मेडल ज़रूर जीतना है। तो बट ये था कि हमें फाइनल के लिए जाना है, बट उस बहुत क्लोज से काफ़ी अच्छे मैचेस हुए हमारे, तो बट वो हम लोगों ने किया, जो माइंड सेट हम लोगों ने सेट करके यहाँ से गए थे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप ऊपर गए हम लोगों ने, उसके बदौलत हमें मेडल भी मिला।
ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, ये मुझे वहाँ से बंद करने के लिए बोले हैं सर। डीब्रीफिंग तो बहुत नॉन इमोशनल होता है,
हाँ जी।
लेकिन उस हार के बाद जब अगला मैच आपको जीतना था, आप लोगों ने इमोशंस को सेपरेट किया या क्या किया, कैसे किया?
बहुत डिफिकल्ट था मैडम हमारे लिए, क्योंकि जब हम लोगों ने सेमीफाइनल लूज़ किया सभी का जो हार्ट था वो टूट गया था, क्योंकि हमारा ड्रीम था कि हम लोग को फाइनल खेलना, और जिस हिसाब से हम लोग परफॉर्म कर रहे थे उस हिसाब से लग भी रहा था कि हम लोग को फाइनल में ज़रूर खेलेंगे। बट जब हम लोग सेमीफाइनल लूज़ किया, काफ़ी क्लोज मैच था हमारे लिए, बट उसके बाद हमारे पास एक दिन का ब्रेक था, उसके हम लोग सभी एक साथ इकट्ठा हुए और बोला कि यार हम लोग के अभी लास्ट 60 मिनट्स हैं, अभी जो नेक्स्ट जो हम लोग 3rd 4th के लिए जाएंगे तो वो हमारे लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है, और स्पेशली श्री के लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट था। श्री इसका लास्ट वो मैच था, तो यही था कि यार हमें इसके लिए और अपने मेडल के लिए ज़रूर खेलना चाहिए। और क्योंकि ऐसा होता है मैडम, लास्ट 60 मिनट हैं, अगर ऐसा ना हो कि अगर हम लोग अच्छा नहीं खेल रहे हैं बाद में सारी उम्र एक रिग्रेट रहेगा, यार काश मैं उस दिन में अच्छा कर पाता, या कुछ हो जाता ना अगर हम लोग नहीं जीते। बट अगर जीत गए तो एक रेस्ट ऑफ द लाइफ आपके लिए हिस्ट्री रह जाएगा।
But as Sreejesh hangs his boots Amid appeals from many to not do so and prepares to coach a team now, there's someone who's hoping she would have more time with him now. That's his wife, Anisha. The two fell in love while in school and eventually decided to turn partners in life. Anisha still blushes talking about it.
India is celebrating its sports stars, and when you celebrate the sports star, there's one name that is almost at the forefront, and that's the name right there, PR Srijesh, the god of modern Indian hockey. And with me right now is the family of PR Srijesh. Thank you very much for talking to us. Ma'am, we spoke to you earlier, but today, now when you finally met your husband, India's pride, what was the first thing you told him when you saw him?
Congratulations, of course. You did it.
Did you get him any uniappams?
No, I didn't get.
See, a mother is a mother. You have a son fooling around behind, but that's Monevanda. Okay, so how difficult or how challenging has this journey been for Srijesh and for you?
Actually, most of the time he will be far away from home, busy in trainings and tournaments. So that time we miss him a lot during family functions and all. But whenever he comes home, he tries to spend quality time with us. So we won't feel that much missing.
So there's a joke which happens in your family. I think you call him Maveli.
Truly.
Yeah. That's a joke that many may understand who understand what Om is. Do you
It
think
happens once in a year. So when the people who are coming to home, very rarely we call them Maveli.
so? Is that going to change now?
We hope so.
Right. Okay. മാം എന്താണ് പറയാനുള്ളത് ഇത്രയും സ്നേഹം കാണുന്നുണ്ട് ഫാമിലിക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന സ്നേഹം all the love that you're seeing around, what do you have to say?
ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷമുണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഇത്രയും ആൾക്കാർ അവനെ സ്നേഹിക്കുന്നു. നമ്മൾ സ്നേഹിക്കുന്നേക്കാളും കൂടുതലായിട്ടാണ് മറ്റുള്ളവർ സ്നേഹിക്കുന്നത്. ഇത്രയും വലിയൊരു അഭിമാന നിമിഷമായിരുന്നു ഇപ്പോൾ നടന്നത്. എനിക്ക് വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട് അതിൽ. വളരെ അഭിമാനവും വളരെ സന്തോഷവും.
So the mother is saying it's been overwhelming for them. She's been seeing far more love that he's getting from others than even what they have managed to give him, and that she's very proud of what she's seeing and very proud of her son. India is very proud of you. What's your name?
Anusri.
And which class are you studying in?
I'm studying 5th.
So, what's the emotion in you right now? What are you feeling? What are you thinking? Are you thinking of Srijesh, India's hockey goalkeeper, or are you seeing of Srijesh as the father? What are you thinking?
You think like he's the god of hockey.
God of hockey.
Yeah.
Okay.
Really, when he started to come to Olympics, really we had win 2 bronze.
Okay. Have you seen your father upset, down?
No,
Never. Never. Well, that's Srijesh for many, but it's not always been very easy for Srijesh.
Actually, like every other athletes, there were also struggles in his career also. That time he was, as I told before, he is a person with a very positive attitude and faith in everything, and he always think that he won't be desperate in anything. He will be hopeful every time. So if any match loses or something happens, he won't think about the past time, and he will tell next time we will do better. Even in personal life, if something is happened, he will say something happened is happened. So he will try to will live in the present only.
Right.
Won't think about past or don't think too much about future.
Last question. When love bloomed with 2 hockey sticks, and when you all decided
I
to
were
get...
an athlete.
You were an athlete, but I think you were practicing with him. Achha, it was during the... I see. Okay, so when both of you decided to marry as 2 sports persons, did you think of your life as it is right now with both of you, with what you are doing and what Srijesh is doing?
No, I didn't expect that. That time we met in school days. That is in 9th standard. At that time we were very close friends, and he would miss most of the class. That time I used to I will help to complete the notes and all. After that, over the time it changed to friendship, changed to romance, and it took a long time. So
All right, we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for talking to us, ma'am. Thank you so much. We wish you all a lot of time with Srijesh.
thank you.
But I think that's going to be hard to get even now. And congratulations to all of you.
Well, that's the different facets of a man whom the country has fallen in love, from Sachin Tendulkar, the first god of Indian sport, to now another god of the Indian sport, PR Srijesh. Thank you very much for joining us.